So kids, let's learn some more interesting things about the chapter. The sun. The sun is a star. It is a big ball of fire. It rises in the east and sets in the west. It is bigger than the earth. The moon. The moon is the closest neighbor of the earth. The moon is round and smaller than the sun. It gets light from the sun. Paper. Paper is made from trees. Recycling of one paper can save 17 trees. Trees like timber, bamboo, etc. are used to make paper. Gas cylinders. Gas cylinders does not have the smell of its own. Companies put smell into the gas cylinders so that we can get to know that it is leaking. And now I have a very fascinating video for you all. Be ready.
Students, now can you tell me if all these things are made by men?
How can men make all these things? Can men make trees, stones and soil? No, they cannot.
Yes, all the things that are around us are not made by men. Students, some of these things that are around us are made by men, and some of them are made by nature. The TV that you watch, the table which is near you, the pencil you write with, the copies you write on, and the clothes you wear, etc., are made by men. All these things are made by men. So, all these things are known as man-made things. Dear students, now let us look at these things. This puppy, this cat, these insects, and this tree are things that cannot be made by men. All of these things are made by nature. That is why we call them natural things. Okay? Let us all say it together once again. Things that can be made by man. Man-made things. Things that cannot be made by man. Natural things. And the interesting thing is that all of these things that are made by man are also made up of natural things.